Alrighty. Let's put the beat up. The beat up.
Oh, it's playing already? Oh. I ain't know that.
The beat up. Put the beat up. Put the beat up. Put the beat up. Okay. Alright, so you ready?
Mm-hmm. You didn't see that.
Lips are your thinnest skin. They need
So the
special
commercial will
attention
come on, so you know
day
we on
and night.
YouTube,
New
right?
Chapstick Dual-Ended Hydration Lock provides 24-hour care. SPF protects by day, natural oils replenish by night. Chapstick, put your lips first.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I didn't get a chance to say goodbye when my cousin went and died. I was shocked and surprised. All it made me do is cry. It hurts so bad in my heart, but I have to show love and do my part. He was so silly, confident and smart. Then when he died, everything fell apart. This is too much. All these killings going on in our lives. This is too much. This is too much. Every time we turn around, someone always dies. Oh, this is too much. What's going on in our environment? It's a big embarrassment. This is too much. These kids are so young. This is so very wrong. I don't know nobody that treats someone so bad and ugly. But they don't need nobody. All they really need is their family. I don't know nobody that treats someone so bad and ugly. But they don't need nobody. All they really need is their family. I don't understand why people think that killing is funny, but it's really not.
The girl can sing. The girl can.
Go Bre. I didn't know you know my nickname.
She can sing.
I didn't know you knew my nickname.
Or one of them. She can sing. She can sing. Girl can sing. And she's an MC. She don't talk about none of that negative stuff about girls wearing tight pants and using the second word of the alphabet, because she said she's not into that. And she's not into that either, because she's not going to be sitting there doing all that negative stuff like twerking and all that. I don't have time for that.
Hey, did you want this rap? Did you want this rap? What's that? The Marvin's Room? The what? Drake Marvin's Room. If you teach me how to rap it, yeah.